Welcome, people. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Subscribe right down there. Very cheap, economical. Don't cost anything. Just drop a subscribe on the channel. Spread it across the world, yeah? You might know I don't support JFF, right? I don't deal with JFF. I don't talk about JFF. Fuck them, man. But today we have to talk about Jamaica football, male and female, and the eve of the Gold Cup 2023 and the eve of Jamaica female team making the second appearance in the Women's World Cup. We have to talk about the status of the team, where they're going, moving forward, and the successes we probably could have through this coach. No, just give me a second, give me about 3-4 minutes just to hear what I have to say about Jamaica's football status right now and where we can be in the future. Now, when you look at this team that Jamaica's put together for the Gold Cup, they look good. They look very, very good. We look at the forward line, Damari Gray. That's a very good addition to the starting line, to the team that was already there. You have in the back line, you have Deshaun Bernard. Very good addition to the back line. In midfield, you have Latibodier. I don't mind this team that they brought together to play in the Gold Cup. Though, don't get me wrong, I wasn't a fan of Theodore Whitmore in the last World Cup, and he missed up our chance to make the World Cup because they're a very good team. Now, this team, I think, can do things, but I'm not thinking about the previous few games that they had where they lost and just keep losing. I'm not thinking about those. Those results were dead to me. And these results that are coming in the Gold Cup are also dead to me. What I want to see is a different level of performance from Jamaica when it comes to playing against USA, Canada, Panama, Mexico, those teams that are going to be in the front, Costa Rica, those teams that are going to be in the forefront of making it to the next World Cup, guys. That's the goal. The goal is to make it to the next World Cup. We don't have to play well in this World Cup, even though it would be nice to get a couple wins and make it to the final, or even win it as the first Caribbean team to actually win it. But I do want to see Jamaica's performances in these games. We can beat the St. Kitts, we can beat the Trinidad, we can do all of that. But if we don't put decent performances against USA, Mexico, then we are not doing anything at all as a Jamaica's football team. I want to see a philosophy when it comes to Coach H. What I'm looking for in this Gold Cup, this coming Gold Cup, is a philosophy. I'm not looking for results. I'm not looking for 1-0 win, 3-0 win, 4-0 win. No, those are exciting. Yes, those are nice. But I want to see results that are built off a philosophy, off a standard of where we can live off and build off. You guys remember 4 years ago, there was no Canada football team was just dead. And they brought in a new coach, new system. They start building from a young coming all the way up. And look at Canada now. We need to build from what we're doing right now, which is bringing the young teams, young ballers into the team. And when you get to the competition like the Gold Cup, see, Deshaun Richards is playing. He's playing in the squad. That is a good step forward. We need to bring more of those young boys into the team and build on that moving forward. Damari Gray, all of those guys that are bringing into the team right now to play along with the man that was already there, can build on that. Mikel Antonio is there. We can grow on his experiences. This is the kind of stuff that we need to build. Leon Bailey, still here. We can build on his experiences and his build that he's been going in the Premier League. We can do all this stuff, people. We have to be focused and cognizant of what we're asking the Coach H to do. I am not asking Coach H to go and win the World Cup. It would be nice. But I'm not asking Coach H to go and win the World Cup. I'm saying, Coach H, this is your opportunity to show us what you can do in terms of building a philosophy moving forward. Because I am done with the days of playing against USA and all you do is receive the ball at the back, kick it up in the air and hope that Antonio can knock it down, get another player. I'm done those days, fam. We need to see some decent football. When I bring Damari Gray from Everton to go run up and down the left flank like a left flank like a madman. No, Damari Gray needs to come and play football. 1-2 passes with the midfield, with the defense, with the forward line. Make intricate passes, get shots to goal. That's what he needs to be doing. He needs to be running up and down the flank like madman. But we read, same thing. We need to start playing football the way we know how to play football. That's what I want to see, a philosophy. I want to see a philosophy in the football that we play in Jamaica. That's exactly what I want to see. So I'm looking forward to that. And then we move forward to the Reggae Girlz. The Reggae Girlz are the reason why we have Adidas for our name right now. And not Kappa or Lead. Reggae Girlz is the reason why we have Adidas for our logo, right? For our jersey right now. You know why? Because they made the World Cup twice now in a 4 years, in a 8 years. Twice. The last time Jamaica made the World Cup, that was it for them in the world stage. These girls made the World Cup twice. And they have no backative, no defense behind them. Where the fuck is the JFF? Where is the support we should be getting from the JFF for these women? Yeah, me see the social media posts on Twitter and Instagram and place. Where is the financial support you should be pushing these women? Where are they, fam? Where? I take that put in your back bumbuclad pocket. In your back bumbuclad pocket. Meanwhile, the girl them out there fight every day. Fight every day. Whether you're born at Jamaica, whether you're born at England, wherever them born, wherever born at America, wherever them born, them need to be supported 100%. Where are you, JFF? Where the fuck are you? Sad. Sad, 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 sad. I'm not expecting anything from the women in about 2 or 3 weeks. You know? What I'm expecting is to just watch them play football and support them 110%. 110% without a shadow of a doubt. So Jamaica, make sure you get together, support the team 100%. Big up yourself. Make sure you're ready for your World Cup. Make sure you're ready for your World Cup. Fuck the JFF. Oh, and I'll be scouting for Manchester United players in the World Cup, female World Cup. Hopefully we can get a couple Jamaicans over there, but you never know. Big up yourself. Bless up others. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the fourth official. Manaz.